Most people overcomplicate making money online. They jump from one side hustle to another side hustle, hoping that this one will be different, only to end up frustrated, burnt out, and struggling to make ends meet. But what if there was a smarter way? A proven step-by-step method that actually works, that doesn't require you to spend all day grinding and chasing some shiny object. Now, this is the same business model that I personally use to make a really nice daily income online, working from the comfort of my own home. And it's the same business model that I have shown hundreds of others who've been able to literally duplicate this exact business model and see amazing results. No hypes, no gimmicks, just real results. And this is a simple system that literally anyone can follow. You don't need any prior tech skills, no crazy marketing experience, or some large upfront investment to get started. In fact, you don't need any investment to get started here because I have no course or high-ticket coaching program to go through and sell you. If you like what you see in this video, all you have to do is just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I'll share with you my full step-by-step course, all of my templates, scripts, and a live bootcamp, all 100% for free. All you need to do is just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I'll share with you the private link to get access to all of that. So if you've been searching for a real way to make income online without wasting time, without wasting money, then this is it. So let me show you exactly how to make this happen. So let me just kind of share it here on my screen. What we're doing is we're finding small local business owners. And no, we are not running Facebook ads or doing SEO or dropship or anything like that for these clients. We're doing something completely different. So hang around with me here to be able to see exactly what we're doing. So we're finding small local business owners. So think about like your hairstylist, your electrician, plumber, and really any type of small local business owner. We're going to set them up with a very simple software solution to be able to help their business get more clients. Okay, and no, it doesn't matter if you don't have any experience with this. I'm going to show you guys how simple this is to automate everything with AI software here in just a minute. And then what we're going to be doing is charging anywhere from $300 to $500 per month per client. So we're not charging the $1,500 to $2,000 per month like most of these traditional social media marketing agency gurus are telling you to do, because most of these small business owners, they can't afford that price point. And so what happens is even if you make the sale, they're canceling after 2 to 3 months. So you just have to keep getting new clients every couple of months. Whereas with a $300 to $500 per month price point, this is a price that small business owners can actually afford. And because you are delivering a service that is providing massive value, they will keep paying you every single month. And the cool thing for you is you'll see by the end of this video that this is not going to take up hours and hours of your time. So going through and getting 10 clients where you're making $3,000 for the month, or if your goal is to make like $10,000 per month, like the headline of this video, all you have to do is get roughly 30 to 33 clients, or basically one new client each day, which might not happen month 1, but might happen month 3 or 4 or 5. And at that point, you have 30 clients paying you $300 per month. That's $9,000 per month on a monthly recurring basis. Whereas the next month, you don't have to start over completely from zero. So with that said, let me show you exactly how to go through and get clients. I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do to fulfill for these clients and what we're going to charge $300 per month for. And you'll be able to see by the end of this video that these small local businesses will continue to pay you $300 per month because it is adding massive value to their business. So let me just pull this up real quick here. So what we're going to do first is we are going to go over to Google. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to come over here and type in something like plumbers, and we'll do Denver, Colorado for this example, okay? And so what happens, we're just going to click stay signed out, is going to show all the sponsored people that are paying to be up here at the top of those search results. But then if we scroll down, we're going to see more of these plumbers, but the plumbers that are ranked the highest here are based on the number of reviews they have. So you can see this one has 7,000 reviews, 2.5 thousand, 755 reviews. So what we want to do is we want to come down here and click on more businesses and find one of these plumbers that doesn't have a lot of reviews and help them get more reviews. Now, before you stop here and comment down the bottom and say like, oh, you're just spamming fake reviews. We're not spamming fake reviews, guys. We're getting 100% legitimate reviews. So let's say you have an issue with like their plumbing. Let's say your toilet's leaking or something something like that, and a plumber comes by and fixes your toilet, you have an amazing experience. Well, after they leave, the first thought on your mind is not to go leave a 5-star review for this plumber, right? It's just, hey, I'm so grateful that my toilet is fixed. And so what we're able to do is set up an automation where after the plumber goes into the client's house, fixes the toilet or does whatever they need to do, we can send an automated email or text out to that client to ask them to leave a review on their Google My Business profile. And so this will help them add more reviews to their Google My Business profile and then help them rank higher in the Google search engines. And so that when people are looking for a plumber in their area, they're more likely to show up at the top of the search results. Which obviously, as you can see here, if you're at the top of the search results, you're more likely to get more calls, more business, and ultimately make more money. And the cool thing for you, even if you have no marketing experience and you've never done this before, I'm going to show you here in just a second, after we find an ideal plumber to work with, how to set this all up with just a couple of clicks. And you don't need any technical experience because you're going to see in a second here how simple this is to go through and get started. And even on top of that, even if you need a little bit more assistance, like I said, in that free course, if you smash the like button and drop a comment down below, I'll show you step by step several ways how to get clients 100% for free, and then step by step how to fulfill for each one of these clients so they continue to pay you on a monthly recurring basis. Okay, so now that we've clicked on more businesses, we can see the top results here: 7,000 reviews, 2,755, 12,000 reviews. We have all these businesses with a varying number of reviews. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, and you can see a lot of these have a ton of reviews. We want to find one of these businesses that does not have a lot of reviews, because then that can be our sales pitch of saying, hey, we want to help you get more reviews so you can show up higher in the Google search engines. Okay, so I just scrolled down a little bit and I found 3 different businesses that we can just go through and call here and offer our services to them. And then I'm going to show you guys how easy this is to set everything up. Okay, so first of all, we have Denver Plumbing and Drain Pro. They have only 14 reviews, but they're all 5-star reviews. So most likely they offer an amazing service, but they're not being found online because they only have 14 reviews. And then One Call Plumber Denver, they only have 25 reviews, but also all 5-star reviews. So more than likely, they have an amazing service. And they've been in business for over 5 years here. Okay, and then right here, Quality Plumbing, business for over 35 years. They only have 40-something reviews and 4.9-star reviews. So these are all businesses that we can go through, call, connect, and offer this simple service of helping them get more 5-star reviews from clients that they have already worked with, that all they have to do is just ask them to leave a simple review on Google to be able to boost their rankings in the search engines. So when somebody is typing in to find a plumber in Denver, Colorado, they're more likely to show up at the top of the search engines. Then all we're going to do is once we get a plumber saying yes, and if you guys want my phone call scripts and everything, it's inside my free course. And like I said, there's no upsells, there's no anything like that. You could just use those scripts exactly how they are to go through and sell these plumbers. So then to set everything up, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this software, which inside of that course, I have an extended 30-day free trial to the software. It's normally a 14-day trial. I hook you guys up with a 30-day free trial because I'm friends with the founders of this software. And then we're going to come over here to this Launchpad, and we're going to connect their Google My Business profile. So if they have a Google My Business listing right here, it means they have a Google My Business profile, which is basically like a Facebook account, but for Google, for businesses. And so all they have to do to connect this is just click connect, and then they sign in to their Google account. Very easy, very straightforward, right? And then once you're signed in right here, all you have to do is come over here to reputation, which reputation management is just another fancy word for getting more reviews for your clients' businesses because it's managing the reputation. So we're just going to click on this right here. And then we are going to go over here to settings. And then we're just going to click on Google reviews right here. And then because you've signed into the Google My Business profile, it's going to automatically pull in the review link so that when someone clicks on that link, it's going to automatically take them to the page to leave a 5-star review. All right. And you can come over here then also and update the SMS review request. So what the message actually says when it's being sent out via text or being sent out via email. And then this is all set up on complete automation. So you can set it up when after a plumber completes their appointment, or a dentist or a chiropractor or whatever small local business owner you're wanting to work with, that once they leave and it shows, hey, they paid, they came in, they got the service done, it automatically sends out an email, automatically sends out a text and asks them to leave a 5-star review. So I hope you can see this only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to set up. You don't need any prior tech skills. All you have to do is come over here to Launchpad, have them sign in with their own Google My Business account, which is super easy to do. Then click on Reputation, click on Settings, and then go over here and click on Google. And once you've already connected your Google My Business account, the link is automatically going to populate. And then you can come over here and customize whatever the SMS review request or the email says as well. But there's already default pre-built text in there that you don't even have to change anything at all if you don't want to. And then this service, because it is software, will continue to provide value on a monthly ongoing basis without you having to do a ton of follow-up work for that client. But they're going to keep paying you every single month because they're getting more 5-star reviews, helping their business get found on Google. And if you think about it, if a plumber has let's say 5 to 10 appointments per day, and you're sending out 5 to 10 review requests every single day, let's say they only work 20 to 25 days per month because of the weekends, that's like a couple hundred additional review requests that they're sending every single month. And if even only 20% of those people actually go through and leave a review, that's still an additional, let's say 20 to 30 new reviews that they're getting every single month, that you can see how that starts to really compound to be able to help them get found online, get more clients, and grow their business. So this is one of my favorite services to go through and offer if you're a total beginner to this whole online digital marketing world, because it's a massive value service that you're providing to these small businesses. It's very simple to set up, and you're able to make monthly recurring revenue, which is kind of the holy grail to all of this business stuff, because then you're not having to start over at zero at the beginning of every single month. And these are extremely high profit margins because you can do this as a solopreneur. You don't have to hire some massive team. The products to go through and fulfill for this service is not that expensive. And you can continually add more and more clients every single month for minimal additional cost to you. So anyway, guys, I hope this was helpful as far as going through and starting out as a total beginner, be able to make some money online, be able to get to that $10,000 per month run rate. And obviously, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to hit that $10,000 per month run rate, but this is a simple business model where if you're charging $300 per month for this simple service, which I know a ton of different businesses that are charging exactly that, and they're being very successful with that $300 per month price point, you only need about 30 to 35 businesses to say yes to be able to consistently make $10,000 every single month. And like I said, if you guys want my free course plus templates plus scripts, everything 100% for free, all you got to do is just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I will share with you the private link to unlock everything. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video. Real quick, if you want to start your own digital agency and get all of my courses, weekly coaching, snapshots, and templates, I'm giving it all away for free. No upsells, no paywalls, nothing. All you have to do is go to launchmysoftware.com and sign up for HighLevel with my affiliate link, and you'll get free access to everything that I offer. And although I can't guarantee your success or results, this is literally the same course that hundreds of others have gone through to make their first dollar online. And inside this program, I'll show you how to get your first clients, how to fulfill for those clients, and I'll give you a professionally designed website that all you have to do is swap in and out your logo. You'll also get 3 of my proven sales funnel templates that have helped me grow my own business to thousands of clients paying me every single month. I'll even talk to you weekly on Zoom so you can ask me questions directly to help you succeed. So if you want all this for free, just go to launchmysoftware.com and sign up for HighLevel with my affiliate link, and you'll get free access to everything that I offer.